What's going on, guys? It's Pat Daley. Today I wanted to share with you a little tip that I've recently discovered on how to achieve natural looking footage, cinematic footage, but also stable footage, stabilized footage. So maybe you're shooting with the camera and you're shooting handheld and it's really shaky right now. Maybe it looks natural, but almost too natural. You want some stabilization. So you go and you look at shoulder rigs, right? Or gimbals. And have you seen these prices, guys? Have you seen these prices? Oh my God, I know that camera equipment is expensive. So a little reach around, a little shortcut that I used was using something that I already had in my camera bag, and I know that you have this in your camera bag. You're gonna use this tool to achieve stabilized and natural footage. So what is that tool? Well, let's get into it right now then. What's going on, guys? We are in downtown Orlando shooting the music video for We Could Be Heroes song, Conway. Pumped, we're just setting up. We're in a warehouse right now. Pretty crazy little abandoned warehouse, and the band's setting up and everyone's getting ready. I'm gonna be moving around to each band member while we're playing. I don't have a shoulder rig, I have a tripod. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's a tripod. Look at that, it's a tripod. So I'm sure you probably have a tripod. If you don't, get this one. I think it's about $80. The link is in the description. Check that out. But what's good about this, it's $80. It's, you know, you could get a cheaper tripod, right? For like 20 bucks. But this tripod specifically can act as a shoulder rig, and they didn't mean for this, but I kind of figured this out. You extend the arms out, and it has this little ball socket here. You tilt this so it's about, you know, a 90-degree angle to the tripod. Then boom, look at this, look at this. You get this stable footage because it's stabilized on your shoulder, but you can also walk with it. You can also just like make different movements, do some whip pans. I'll show you that in a second. I'll show you some real life examples. This is the way to achieve, a good way to achieve stable cinematic footage without getting like a $600 shoulder rig. I mean, come on. So yeah, check it out, guys. Some budget stuff, but I've shot some pretty awesome brand videos, music videos over the past year using this thing.
Action, let's go! Turn it up!
Hey guys, I've decided to make a second video on how to create unique transitions with the shoulder rig, the DIY shoulder rig that I talked about in this video. So if you want to watch that breakdown, click right here or in the description, and you'll be able to watch that. So back to the video. So there you have it, guys. That's how you essentially make a cheap DIY shoulder rig. You don't have to even build anything. You just buy this tripod, use that as a tripod, use it as a shoulder rig. I'm really happy that I was able to find that out because it saved me about $600 on a shoulder rig. I'll eventually upgrade, but for what I'm doing now, that's totally fine. And I'm sure if you've made it this far in this video, maybe that's where you're at too. Maybe you have another way to use a shoulder rig to stabilize your footage without spending a lot of money. Comment that below. Hey, let me know. Let me know what you think about this tripod if you get it. Be sure to like this video, guys. Give me some thumbs, baby. Some thumbs. All right, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.